Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be working on one of my favorite pastas. This is my beef stroganoff. All right, let's get through some of these ingredients that I have here to make the stroganoff. I'm about to start searing off my beef. I'm going to do that in beef fat. The beef fat is hot. I'm going to get my beef in here. What you don't want to do is pile it on top of each other. Now that I got a good sear, I'm going to take them out of the pan. In the same pan with the same fat, mushrooms are going to go in. I did a whole quick video on this. I'm going to put the link in, like I said. Watch that video. The only difference is I'm using red wine versus white wine. I'm searing the mushrooms, or have seared the mushrooms. Got the onions and garlic in there. I did want to show you a couple of additions that I have to searing the mushrooms. I've got that gherkin juice in, paprika that I'm going to throw in here, and I'm going to add some paprika on top of the beef that I seared off. Gherkins themselves are going to go in as well. So I'm just waiting now for the gherkin juice to reduce out, which shouldn't take long at all because my pan was really hot. And now that that's reduced out, the red wine is going to go in, and I'm going to let that reduce out as well. The wine is 80–90% of the way reduced out. My heavily reduced beef stock, or glace de viande, is going to go in. And now that's going to reduce and concentrate as well. Veal stock is reduced down quite a lot now. Got a syrupy glaze going on. I'm going to finish with garlic confit puree. Lots of, all of it. I'm also gonna get in my sour cream into there. Oh my God, this is gonna be amazing. Pasta goes in. Gotta check seasoning, most important thing. Needs some love. Last two things I'm going to add: parsley, chiffonade goes in, and all that beautiful beef goes back in. I got that stroganoff finished off here. We're going to get to plating right now. The beautiful stroganoff goes in. Sour cream, some paprika down, gherkins, some sprouts. Why don't we go a little bit around like that? And there you have it, folks. There's my beef stroganoff. Thanks a lot, everybody. Take care.